Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 32. Okay, Jessica. Make this sound. Good. Make the sound and hold the sound. Good. Jessica, where do you think the sound is coming from? Is it coming from your voice? Through your voice and out of your mouth?
No, my voice is not out of my mouth.
Where is it coming from?
I think it's coming from my nose.
Let's see if you are correct. Say the sound and hold your nose like this. Correct. If I stop the sound coming out of my nose, it's very difficult for me to make the sound. Isn't that correct?
Yes.
It is coming from our nose, the sound. Good. Jessica, this is the sound. Jessica, there are two surfaces which stop the sound coming out of our mouth. Which two surfaces stop that sound?
Our top lip and our bottom lip stopped our sound.
Correct. The top lip and the bottom lip are together and stop that sound coming from our mouth. Good. Okay, Jessica, say this sound. Good. Where is that sound coming from? Our mouth or our nose?
Our nose.
Good. Jessica, tell me, where is your tongue when you make that sound?
My tongue is touching my top mouth, my front top mouth.
Good. Your tongue is behind your top teeth, touching the bump behind your top teeth. Are you using the tip of your tongue or are you using the top of your tongue to make that sound?
I'm using the top of my tongue.
Correct. You are using the top of your tongue up against the bump behind your top teeth to make that sound. Good. So which two surfaces do you put together to make that sound, to stop the air coming from your mouth?
I use my tongue and my bum.
Good. You use the top of your tongue up against the bump of your mouth just behind your top teeth. Good, Jessica. Well done. This is the sound. This sound? This sound? Good. Both of those sounds, we use our nose to make the sound. Okay, Jessica. Make this sound. Ooh, well done. Good. Jessica, tell me, what's your tongue doing?
My tongue is touching my bump.
Is your tongue at the front of your mouth? Are you using the front of your tongue? Try again. What part of your tongue are you using? The front, the middle, or the back?
I use my back of my tongue.
Good. You use the back of your tongue. Try. Can you feel the back of your tongue? It touches another surface. Which surface does the back of your tongue touch?
My tongue touch my back of my mouth.
Correct. The back of your tongue touches the back of your mouth. Good. This is the sound. Where is the sound coming from? Is it coming from your mouth or is it coming from your nose?
It is coming from my nose.
Correct. Like this sound and this sound this sound comes from your nose. Say the three sounds. Good. Okay, Jessica, I'm going to point to the sounds and you repeat the sounds. Ready? This one. This one. This one. Good. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Well done, Jessica. Excellent.